As you watch me build this website in the background, I wanted to talk to you about something a lot of people overcomplicate: learning WordPress. Whether you're building a blog, a small business site, an online store, or even a personal portfolio, WordPress is one of the best platforms out there. And the good news is, it's actually way easier to learn than most people think. If you've ever heard someone say WordPress is confusing or too technical, they were probably trying to learn it the wrong way, or they didn't have the right hosting setup, which can make a huge difference. But when you're working with a solid host and you approach WordPress step by step, anyone can figure it out, even if you've never built a website before in your life. So let's break it down, because once you understand the basics, the whole process starts to feel a lot less intimidating. When you first log into WordPress, you're going to land on what's called the dashboard. Think of this as your website's control center. It's where you create pages, write blog posts, upload images, change how your site looks. Basically, everything you'll ever need to do happens right there. It's laid out pretty clearly, and the best way to get comfortable is just to click around and see what's there. Now, one of the biggest things that makes WordPress so powerful and so easy to work with is something called themes. Themes are like pre-made designs for your website. You pick one that fits your style, and from there, you can customize everything: the colors, fonts, layouts, all without touching a single line of code. This is why WordPress works for everything from simple personal blogs to professional business websites. You're not locked into anything. You can make your site look exactly how you want. Then there are plugins, which are basically little add-ons that give your site extra features. Let's say you want to add a contact form so people can reach out to you. There's a plugin for that. Want to improve your site's security? There's a plugin for that too. Plugins let you add all kinds of functionality to your site without needing any technical knowledge. You just search for what you need, click install, and WordPress takes care of the rest. One of the best things about learning WordPress is there's a ton of free help out there. Whether you want to watch tutorials, read guides, or join Facebook groups where people help each other out, you're never stuck figuring things out on your own. Plus, once you understand the basics, how to write posts, add pages, and change your design, it's really just about getting comfortable working inside WordPress. The more you play around with it, the easier it gets. Of course, your hosting company can make a big difference too. Some hosts handle the WordPress installation for you, so you don't have to mess with any of the setup, and they keep your site running fast and secure behind the scenes. Bluehost, for example, is one of the hosts that's officially recommended by WordPress, which means they're tested to work perfectly with WordPress sites right out of the box. Plus, if you use the coupon link in the description, you can save over 80% off their regular prices, and the discount gets applied automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do. But no matter which host you use, the key to learning WordPress is just to get started. The hardest part is taking that first step, and once you're inside WordPress and you see how everything fits together, it all starts to make sense. It's one of those things where the more you do it, the easier it gets, and before you know it, you'll be customizing your site like a pro. If you want a full walkthrough, I'll leave a link in the comments to my step-by-step tutorial that shows you how to build a WordPress website from scratch. Check that out if you want some extra guidance, and definitely check out the Bluehost coupon link if you want to lock in that discount. Thanks for hanging out while I work on this site, and I'll see you in the next one.